How to add music to a Facebook photo post on your mobile. So this will work on both iPhone and also Android as well. Now the first thing we're going to do is load up the Facebook app. Click on your profile icon in the bottom right hand side and then click on your profile name at the top of this screen. You can then scroll down to what's on your mind and click on this. You can then select photo and video and now go and select the photo that you want to upload to Facebook. You can then press next. You can then go and write a caption for this photo, and now to add the music, click on the add music button. You can then go and select the audio track that you want to use. You can also search for a specific song in this search box here. Once you've found the song you want to use, simply go and click on it. You can then select the specific point in the video you want to use and click on done. Now if you don't see the music option, you can always click on edit in the top left hand side. You can then click on the music icon in the top navigation and you should be able to upload it from here. Now once you've finished with your post, just go and click on next in the top right hand side. You can then go ahead and click on post. So that's how to add music to your posts on Facebook. Let me know in the comments if you found this video helpful.